You are going to love the 2018 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.